What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here. Just wanted to make a quick video to give you all a look inside of one of these vacant properties I was just recently in, and kind of give you a feel for kind of like what you can expect when you go inside of them, some things to watch out for, and just to give you a visual so you can actually kind of know what's inside of these vacants. And I'm kind of just going to jump right into this property and just narrate a bit, guys. So as you see, we had just walked into the property, and how I really like to do it is I'll begin with the video that I also took of the front of the property. So I'll start off with that and kind of just get a complete video of like the front of the property, and then typically go inside. However, in this video, we were waiting for the owner to show up at the time that we took that front video, so maybe I'll show you all that afterwards. As you all can see, though, this place is pretty damaged already. You can tell this place needs a lot of work. The ceilings are quite damaged. The floors have ceiling all over them. So, yeah, it definitely needs a lot of work. This is pretty much a full rehab, guys. What you're going to see here is a full gut. They're going to have to pretty much redo everything. Everything is outdated and old and broken. There's a lot of holes in the wall. Here's a bathroom right here. So you see we got a lot of damage in there. So guys, what you definitely want to do when you go inside these properties after you get a chance to check it out yourself, you definitely want to have a contractor be able to come out and give you an actual repair bid on these properties, so you can really determine if the property is right for you. So that's something that you want to do, guys. You want to have that relationship established beforehand so you can have your contractor go ahead and go out and get you some numbers. This property, I believe the repairs were about $60,000. So yeah, you kind of want to go in and just get a very, very thorough picture of the entire property. So you've got a pantry right here. This particular seller had talked about all the copper missing in the property, so you can kind of see that they took all of the plumbing copper out. Definitely needs a lot of updating. As you can see, this area, the wall is coming down. So guys, yeah, it's kind of like a lot of ceilings falling down. So definitely make sure you're aware and are careful when you're in these properties, because you do not want to get hurt. And definitely take notes of all of the damage that you've got going on here. Just get a good video. So you see you've got the outdated stove as well. So I'm just going to click over here to the next video. We actually went upstairs after that. So this is the upstairs area right here. So this is actually like a little mini area, or like a day room type area upstairs. Then you've got the actual like attic area. And guys, so you definitely want to be careful when you go into these places, because there's a lot of stuff. Like we saw like a calcified rat on the floor. So like just watch out. And then also you might want to wear a long sleeve, because like you can get eaten up by all types of bugs and stuff. Like my girlfriend got attacked by something, but she had all types of bite marks all over her. So I highly recommend wear a long sleeve. But like I said about this attic was like 130 degrees. I mean, it was fuming hot. So be aware of that as well. If you're wearing clothing to try to stay protected. You also don't want to pass out in one of these extremely hot attics kind of up here. And that's also another thing that I also recommend. Make sure you have a very high-powered flashlight. As you can see in this video, I'm kind of walking around with my flashlight on my camera phone, so I don't recommend that, guys. I forgot my flashlight at home, so I highly recommend you guys bring a nice high power flashlight like this gentleman has in the video. Two of those would be great to actually go into the property with your camera to actually be able to get some good photos. So yeah, so kind of be aware of your surroundings for sure, because you know a lot of these, like the foundation is not safe a lot of times, guys. So you really got to watch yourself. And here we're about to go into the basement here as well. So you see some water damage on the floor. It's actually wet there on the ground. So definitely make sure you're aware. You don't want to get bit. You don't want to fall through the wall. So definitely make sure you're aware. You know, this stuff is not for the faint of heart, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're not prepared to actually go into a property and go into every area of the property and get a very thorough video of the property, I highly recommend enlisting someone who will, because you're definitely gonna need that. You're not going to want to have to go to the property 15 times to show every single person who wants to see the property, and you don't want to have to buy a lockbox necessarily for every single property that you get under contract, especially if you're doing a lot of deals, guys. So these videos a lot of times will save you a lot of time. Right there, I actually dropped my sunglasses that I had on. So yeah, we end up finding out that this property could actually be used as a multi-family home. They're using it as a single family, but the basement area actually has an additional door, like an external door that can be used to access just this basement area. So actually considering trying to use this one as a multi-family and rent it out actually. So stay tuned for that. So you see the ceiling right there, guys. It's completely destroyed. So you definitely want to make sure that you're careful, because you know if you're walking upstairs, you know above that ceiling, then you know that ceiling could potentially be very weak, guys. So I don't want to see you all um, stuck in a wall somewhere. You know what I mean? So definitely be careful and protect yourself. So yeah, this video. Like I said, guys, it's just a little walkthrough. I know you guys, you know, want to know what the inside of these properties look like. You know, you want to know what to expect. So I'm just making this video to kind of give you a heads up of what to expect. Some things you may see, some things it may look like. It's definitely going to be lots of cobwebs. You know, it's a high possibility that there's rats in there. You may have some homeless people living in there. So definitely make sure that you're you know, on your guard when you walk into these properties, especially those that have been vacant for many years. You know, you may have drug addicts shooting up drugs in there. You definitely have to be careful when you go into these properties, because you don't want to get hurt, like I said, guys. So be on your P's and Q's, as the saying goes. See that ceiling? It's kind of slowing down a little bit here. Sorry, guys, my computer's been acting up on me a little bit, as you can kind of tell. But anyway, though, guys, I hope this video definitely helped you all and kind of help, you know, give you a nice, good insight into what these properties can look like. Like, check that out, you know, big hole right in the film. So be careful when you're standing above these things, guys. Just know that, you know, that's actually a completely broken pipe right there. Like somehow they broke the pipe. People came in there and actually stole a lot of stuff. The seller was telling me while I was making the video. Anyway, though, guys, like I said, I hope this video helped you all out. If it did, definitely comment down below and let me know, what do you think about going into vacant houses, and what's the nastiest, craziest thing you ever saw walking into a vacant property? I'm really, really interested in what you guys got to say. Let's actually start up a conversation, guys. I want to hear what you guys got to say. I want to hear if these videos been helping you out. Get in the comments, the comment box down below. Let me know what's going on, guys. I'm looking forward to it. And if this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. Show your support. Let me know these videos are helping you out. And until next time, guys, I'm out.